Hi, welcome to Tile Merchant Coolock. Today I would like to show you our newly renovated wood and laminate sections, and I'd like to go through and show you each various section in more detail. Here we have our 8mm sections of laminates with our dynamic range and our living range. With all our displays, you will have all the information on the labels as required, so it'll give you the size, format, thickness, etc. Laminates will come in different thicknesses and size formats. Laminates in their nature are manufacturer products, and in theory they have a veneer on the surface which gives the colour and the texture of the various laminates. Each laminate can have a various wear layer on it, which could be an AC4 or AC5 with most of the products we would have on display, and that creates the strength of the wear for the product. AC4 will be suitable in any domestic application. AC5 will be suitable again for more light commercial areas, but all very good and very hard wearing products that you should have no problem and very easy to keep and maintain. And here we are at our 8mm herringbone and matching plank laminates, AC4 wearing, so absolutely no issue in any domestic application. Here we are at our start of our 12mm laminate range, lifestyle range. Again, it will be a 1.38 metre board with 190mm wide plank effect. Again, very durable, hard wearing and absolutely perfect for any domestic application, whether it's a kitchen, living room, hall, it's all very suitable. Also, we have coordinating skirtings and scotias to suit many of the colours that we would have in our ranges. Here we are showing you our engineered boards. This is the BARISTA range we carry, where we will have matching planks and herringbones again, and then some chevrons. Any engineered board is a natural product. There is a little bit more care required in it, but a beautiful product no less. Once it's kept and maintained, absolutely no issue in this product for any domestic applications. Engineered boards are different to laminates as it is natural wood, and you have a little bit more care requirements with it than you would with a laminate. Here we are at more of our 12mm laminate range. Here we have our Robusto and Mammut ranges. They're 1.8 roughly meters in length, so they're quite a long board, and 188mm wide plank. Again, 12mm thick with your veneer, very good hard wearing laminates. Good range of colours and textures that can suit any domestic application. Now we're at one of our 10mm Mammut Plus range. The Mammut Plus is a wider board, long plank, and again, very durable and suitable for all domestic applications, whether it's a bedroom, living room, hall, or conservatory. It's 10mm in thickness with the wide plank, so it gives a nice, clean looking finish to your floor. Here in Coolock, we have our sample towers that can show off all our laminate samples, whether it's engineered or laminate samples for all the ranges we show on our display. All our laminates will be available on our website to view, and you can order samples online free of charge. Thank you.